Okay, this is our house. It's gonna be about 1,500 some square foot. My original plan was a lot bigger than this, but realizing how many blocks do I have to make, and we kind of scaled down a little bit. So I'll give you a little tour. Of course, this one does not count the thickness of the wall, but it's a little blueprint that I drew, and I hope you guys like it. So this is the entrance, and we walk in, and there is a big pantry. We want to keep everything inside of the closed doors because it can be pretty dusty, and I don't like anything covered with dust. And once you walk in, it's a big old space. It's a kitchen, dining, living combo. We're gonna have a fridge, sink, countertops, stove, and little section for Eric's coffee station. And we like to have a little or big window to see the views. And like to have a decent sized island. This was gonna be a combo with a dining table. So we're gonna have a chairs around it. And here's a living area. We can put the chair right here or couch right here. And it's gonna be a solid wall, and probably we can put some big screen TV. We don't watch TV, but we can watch Netflix or YouTube. And like to have the sliding door here to have a nice view. And we turn around this way, and it's gonna be right here, actually right next to pantry. We're gonna have utility room, like a mud room, coat, boots, vacuums, wash and dryer, stuff like that. And it's gonna be a door here. Walk in. It's gonna be a bedroom. Have another window, a sliding door to see the view. Maybe bed right here, and pretty decent size walk-in closet. Like I said, I do not like to have anything in the bedroom, like just a bed and maybe side table. So I want to have everything put away in the closet. And here I like to have a little sliding door or whatever the door to go into the bathroom. And it's gonna be like not Japanese style, but it's a wet room with shower bathtub combo. So you can take a shower here. Here's a tub, and have a nice window to see the view. And come outside, and it's gonna be a sink here and a vanity. And I would like to have a water closet, the toilet, and has a on its door. And here's another door to come out. So when we have a guest, they don't have to go through our bedroom to go to the bathroom. So that's pretty much it. Yes, you might have realized we don't have any other bedroom other than our master bedroom. Sorry guys, you have to kind of wait. Once this is built, you can come over and you can help us build guest rooms. But I'm pretty excited, and I'll talk about how many blocks that we need. We have gorgeous views that we can enjoy from everywhere. Our land is sloped, so we have no issue with water flooding our property. But what that means is we have to level, or we have to raise up this side of the house quite a bit to be level. But it takes time, but it is what it is. Everything takes time. That's okay. Chico? Chiki-chan? He's ignoring me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I was recording it. It will be a long journey, but it will be all worth it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.